Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Native natural deodorants. So Native is a brand of natural deodorant that is paraben-free and aluminum-free. I have a couple different scents here to talk about, and today I'm kind of going to go through what I ordered, what the ingredients are, kind of like some first impressions. And then later in this video, I'm going to come back after a couple weeks have passed and give you guys more of like an in-depth review of how it has performed. So at the risk of becoming like the natural deodorant girl on YouTube, I do have two other videos about natural deodorants. One is my first experience trying natural deodorants, and then the other is talking about 7 different brands of natural deodorants that I've tried in the past and which one was my favorite. Prior to trying Native right now, my favorite is the Zion Health Clay Dry. I will link a video that talks about this in the description box below. So I'm not new to this whole natural deodorant thing. I've tried lots of brands. I decided to do the build your own pack of 3 cents. This is normally $30. I used promo code MFM to get, I believe, 20% off. So it was like a $6 discount. Leave me a comment if there are any other murderitos watching this, people who listen to the My Favorite Murder podcast. That was like the podcast promo code. The other thing is that this brand has like a money back warranty if you don't like it. The key ingredients here, we've got some tapioca starch, which is I think a drying ingredient. I've seen that in a lot of dry shampoos. Sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. We've got magnesium, coconut oil. I'm a little nervous about coconut oil because I did have a bad skin reaction to Kapari, which was coconut based. It's got shea butter, and then it's also got a bacteria, like a probiotic in here, which is supposed to kind of balance the bad bacteria that causes odor in your armpits. So I thought that was pretty interesting. That's not something that I've seen in a lot of natural deodorants, so that's pretty cool. I think probiotics are pretty trendy in skincare right now. You're hearing a lot about like the microbiome of your skin. So yeah, I don't think I've seen that in other types of deodorants. So I'm excited for that and see how that works. Scents that I picked out were, I got the classic coconut and vanilla, which seems to be like what they're known for, like one of their most popular scents. And then I got 2 seasonal scents because their seasonal scents sound so fun. So I got sweet almond and honey and peony and jasmine tea. I love this sweet almond and honey scent. This is the one I'm choosing to test. I applied it for the first time this morning. It smells so good in my opinion. This smells like a fall Bath and Body Works store. Like, it's delicious. The sweet peony and jasmine tea smells more like a classic deodorant, kind of like floral with a little bit of a powdery finish. The coconut and vanilla scent smells like vacation, like sunscreen and tropical drinks and all of that good stuff. The deodorant itself is stamped with a little heart in the center. I don't know if you can see it beneath the plastic, but it does wear off immediately upon use. After just one application, it's gone. But it's a cute little touch, like something sweet and unexpected when you're opening your new deodorant bottle. Another cute touch that I noticed is they included these little fall themed stickers in my box. They've got like a pumpkin and a little latte and some leaves. I guess the idea is that you could decorate your deodorant bottle if you want to. So that's just like another nice, sweet touch. Hey guys, I'm back to give my review on this product. Quite some time has passed. I use this deodorant every day for about a month, so now I'm finally ready to give you some thoughts and opinions on whether it worked for me and whether it caused any skin reactions, all of that kind of stuff. So to start off with, I really did enjoy the scent of this. I think the application is really nice. It glides on smoothly. Like most natural deodorants, it does tend to get really messy. I don't know what that is about natural deodorants compared to a normal or traditional stick solid deodorant, but in my experience, natural deodorants are much messier. As I mentioned before, I tested out the sweet almond and honey scent. I have not even opened or tried the peony and jasmine tea or the coconut and vanilla because, and I will insert a photo, this did give me a skin reaction. So I'll put in a photo at some point of what my underarm looks like. It's obviously not a cute photo, but just for the sake of this review and this experience, it gave me like a bunch of little red bumps, and then I did like keep using it, and then it kind of went away, and then it kind of came back, and when it came back, it was almost like the bumps were angrier. Like I, for some reason, thought maybe I could just like push past it, but it was like having almost like large like pimples under your underarms. So, although plenty of other brands have given me reactions, I would say that these bumps, maybe because I was trying to persist and use the deodorant to see if that reaction would go away, I would say that these bumps were a little bit more painful. I think probably what it is because I also had a reaction to the Kopari coconut deodorant is that I think coconut oil clogs my pores. Like, I think honestly the closest thing I could compare the rash to is like having acne in your armpit, which sounds very unpleasant, and it was very unpleasant. And so now I have stopped using this deodorant. In terms of performance, putting the whole skin reaction aside, I would say it was about average. I would say this did a lot better than my experience with like Tom's, which I feel like the Tom's deodorant did nothing for me. This one, I would say on the most part, it would keep me deodorized to a certain extent. I don't think there was a lot of protection in terms of dryness, although this does promise, it has like tapioca starch and a couple other things that would help with dryness. I just don't think it did that much. Like, I would definitely feel like I was still sweating quite a bit. So this does have both coconut oil and baking soda in it. I don't know exactly what caused my skin reaction. As I mentioned, as a hunch, I think it might be the coconut oil. Totally not sure though, but if your skin is not as reactive, I think I could have kept using this and would have used it up had it not been for the uncomfortable bumps under my arm. It was like awkward and I felt weird wearing tank tops. It was like just unattractive. So I definitely wanted to stop after a certain point with this. I think if you did not have that, it's like an okay deodorant. Like, I think it, like, for a natural deodorant, does an okay job. It's somewhat effective, not as effective as a traditional deodorant. I'm gonna find maybe a friend or someone to give these away to because I don't think I'm gonna be using them. That reminds me, they do have a money back 30-day policy. However, it has now been a lot longer than 30 days, so I have not tried to contact them to exchange or return these. Just because it took me more than 30 days to make up my mind about this. I think I was hoping that if I kept using it, maybe the bumps would go away, or maybe it was just a weird reaction. Like, even persisting, I don't think this is the right deodorant for me, so I will be going back to my clay dry that I showed at the beginning of this video for now. And I just saw an Instagram ad for a different natural deodorant that seemed very interesting and I had not heard of before, so I placed an order for that. So if you are on this natural deodorant quest like I am, trying to find something that actually works really well, be sure to subscribe to my channel and stick around for that future video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this video useful. Feel free to leave me a comment if you have tried Native and had a similar or a different experience. I'd love to hear from you guys. As always, you guys can leave me suggestions for future videos down below if there's a product you want me to review, or even if you have a recommendation for something you think I'd like. I'd love to hear it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.